it's Sue here again from Sue's Dolbrodmaeth Kitchen. Nice to meet you again today. So I just wanted to make a quick little dessert that's really nice and summery and just something really quick that you can make. So there's no cooking involved with this dessert, so it's just easy. So let's crack on, shall we? So I have a pack of already made meringue nests here, which I've had kicking around for quite a while now, and I just thought I need something to make with them, so I'm actually going to make like an Eton nest type thing with them. So I have here 8 ounces of raspberries, and I have 8 strawberries, okay? I also have some maple syrup for sweetening, some homemade vanilla essence, and some ricotta cheese. So we're going to add some ricotta cheese to this recipe, and some double cream, okay? So we're going to add, so the ricotta cheese is a pack of 250 grams, and we're going to use probably 200 grams of cream as well, okay? So in this pack is 600 mils, so 200 mils, sorry, of cream. So we'll do that first. We'll weigh out the cream first. Okay, so 200 mils of cream. So what we're going to do is mix the ricotta cheese and the cream together. This is double cream. Obviously, you've got to use double cream, otherwise it won't work. You could use Elm Lee, but I'm not a fan of artificial cream, so I only like using the real thing. So we're tipping that into this bowl. Hold on, I need a spoon to scrape it out so we don't waste any. Or a palette knife to do. And here we have one. We have one of these. So I'm just going to make sure we don't waste any of the cream. So this is a nice summery dish for this quite sunny day today. So there we are. And we're going to use the whole pack of this ricotta cheese, which is 250 grams. If you want the recipe, please leave a comment below, and I will put the recipe up for you. Okay? So we're just mixing that together. And in there we'll also put, so in here we're going to add a teaspoon or 2 of vanilla essence, okay? So I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence in. And we're also going to add some maple syrup. So I'm just going to put this in free-handed. I'll stir it first. Give it a little shake. And probably maybe a tablespoon. That much. That's about a tablespoon. And then we're going to just mix that together, and then we're going to whisk it. Okay, so we want to whisk it up. And then we're going to mix the meringue with the raspberries. And we're going to mix it all together in the same bowl. Okay? You don't have to do it that way, you can separate it all. This is my own recipe for Sue's mess. Oh, helps to switch on the plug. So you want to mix this into soft heat, okay? So I'll be back in a minute. Oh, hello again. So I've been mixing this mixture with the ricotta cheese and the cream with the vanilla maple syrup for a few minutes now, about 5 minutes, and it's come to the consistency where it's like sort of setting, but we just obviously it's ricotta cheese and cream, so it doesn't set like cream. You do not want it to go all weird, and it probably wouldn't anyway. So what we're going to do with this is I have a packet of these meringues ready-made, so I'm just going to break them up into the mixture, okay? So just break them up, that's it, simple. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm just breaking them up. They're quite soft. Then we're going to stir them in. Then we're going to cut up the strawberries And we'll keep a couple of raspberries and a bit of strawberry, like one piece of strawberry, and a couple of raspberries per person to put on the top for, you know, to make it look pretty. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So we'll just finish crunching these up into our mixture. And there we go. So they're all crunched up. Lovely. So we'll just mix them in with our spatula thing. Just mix them into our mixture. So that's lovely. Looking good. So you could just use like the fruit separately if you wish, but I think it'd be nice to mix it together. And so what I'm going to do is pop a couple of raspberries in the bottom of each glass. Use a nice decorative glass for this job. Something pretty is good. So I'm just going to put a couple of raspberries in each one, like that. Okay? And then I'm going to slice up these strawberries. So one of the strawberries I'm going to leave the green bit on the top for decoration. And the rest I'll just slice up and put in here with these raspberries. Okay? And that's what we're going to do. So this is a nice summery sort of dessert. Really, really easy to do. Really simple. And then to make it extra special, I might just put on a bit of like liqueur, whatever liqueur you like. So I might do that. We'll see. Right, so I'm keeping one of the strawberries back, and I'm cutting it into 3 pieces, like that. Okay, and then also we want a couple of these raspberries, 2 per person, to put on the top. Okay, so delicately fold these into your mixture. Okay, so delicately fold these in to your lovely, lovely, lovely mixture. And you get a nice sort of pinky colour, which will look really pretty and really summery. So this is my take on an Eton mess with ricotta cheese. So it'll be quite filling as well. So I think that's enough. And we'll just get a spoon and spoon them into the glasses. It's delicious. So I'm just going to spoon it into the glasses, like so. So I'll put 2 spoonfuls in each to start with, and then see how much we've got left. It's a big spoonful. Like so. It's a delicious dessert. Absolutely gorgeous. And then just fill up each glass till your mixture's all gone. There, how delicious is that? There, how gorgeous is that going to be? I'm going to get to lick the bowl. I'll do that off camera. So, there we are. So beautiful, summery dessert made in like 5 minutes. Oh, it tastes amazing. So put your strawberries on the middle, on the top, and then either side of those, put your raspberries. And you could also sprinkle some chocolate on, or whatever you want to do. There you go. So there we are. 3 Eton messes done souffle. Made with ricotta cheese and double cream. Some nice strawberries and raspberries. So I wish you were here, you could try one. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and keep on watching my videos. And if you want the recipe for any of my videos, just leave a comment below and I'll put the ingredients on. Okay? So thank you again for watching my channel, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.